Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial about moving docs and folders. Now, we talked about the whole drag and drop, but let's say you're inside a folder and I didn't actually want my works cited to be there. I can right click and then choose Move To. From there, I can go back out of the examples folder and I can put it into English 1, or maybe I wanted to put it into extra folder 2. I mean, you just kind of navigate to wherever you would like it to go. And once you've highlighted that folder, or you can create a folder even within that English 1, and maybe it's going to be works cited. I can select that and I can tell it to move it here. So again, very easy concrete poem. I'm going to right click, move to. I go back out of examples because it's not somewhere where I want to drag and drop. And I'm going to choose English 1. If there's folders within it, you will see the little arrow. So I could put that in works cited, or I can just keep it in maybe creative writing. And I'm going to click move. And now when I go to my drive, when I click in creative writing, I will find, I forgot what I called it. Oh, concrete poem. And when I go to my English 1 folder, I will see my works cited folder, which now contains works cited. It's easy, easy, easy to do.